Hey, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by, checking out my YouTube channel, for checking out my YouTube page. Today I'm doing unboxing on this guy right here. This is the Dewalt quarter sheet variable sander, cordless. You hear me? Cordless. I've been wanting this bad boy for a long time. I actually saw it online, and everywhere I went to purchase it, it wasn't available. So I was stalking Home Depot, stocking, Dewalt authorized sellers, calling every single day, asking, do you have it yet? Do you have it yet? Do you have it yet? And the answer was no, and finally, it is here. Thanks, Home Depot. So they're building up suspension yet? Okay, stay tuned. We're about to open this bad boy up.
It's that heat, boy.
I was a little disappointed though, I have to be honest. Home Depot actually shipped me this box just like this. See the UPS? But they should have put this box inside of another box because it's snowing outside in the Chicagoland area. And guess what this was? Sitting like that at my front door, completely covered in snow. So I'm hoping this unboxing video is not DOA, dead on arrival. Let's go. See how nice and sharp that bad boy is? Alright, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. I feel like I'm in a Christmas store when they're unveiling the lamp leg. Put some snazzy music playing in the background as I pull it out. Alright, what do we get in the box? Manual. I'm not going to read this, let's be honest. Looks like a cover you could probably put on the bottom so the padding don't get all jacked up when it's laying around and you don't have sandpaper. And the dust catcher, the dust collector. This is actually the reason I bought this. I'm going to be, as some of you may know, I own an old farmhouse from 1865, and I'm going to be, there was an exterior wall that is now interior and has lead paint on it, so I wanted to sand it, do some dust collecting, limit the dust. I thought if I put a vacuum on it, sucker's just going to blow it everywhere, so mask up, put this on, and then it's also going to make it so much easier instead of dragging around a cord all over the place, and you're going to feel it on your shoulder anyway, right? So let's open this bad boy up. I'm glad it at least has a bag on it. Maybe that limited its water intake. Well, here she is. Let's see. First impressions. Bottom's nice and sturdy. Definitely a stiffness to it, but a little pad so I can put some real good pressure in it when you're pushing. It's heavy, but it's not extremely heavy. Meaning, I think I'm gonna feel this on my shoulder after about 10 minutes for sure. It's gonna be a little bit of workout, but it definitely is gonna beat that plus the cord, you know. So it looks like that goes on, turns, locks it in place. There she is. Here's the cover. And it just lines up with the holes. Alright. I can't believe I've been like trying to get this thing for like 2 months, maybe 3 months. I've been trying to get a hold of it. So anything fancy? Looks like on-off button. It has a little rubber grommet type cover. Variable speed 1 through 7. Batteries on the back. I'm assuming we can use a 60 volt flex tools on this. 60 volt, you know, the flex batteries on this will definitely give it some length. I would say the 60 volt probably when you're doing something, you know, down, just, you know, flush what you're doing. But if you're lifting this above your head or you're lifting it, I'd say I probably want to go with a thin battery and swap them out. I don't care. I have a lot of batteries. So I'm really excited about this. So if you've been trying to get your hands on this, the quarter sheet, brushless, Dewalt, cordless. Listen, you hear what I'm saying? Cordless. It's insane that we've gotten to that level that we can have a tool this powerful that's cordless. Just wasn't going to happen back in the day, right? These new batteries are amazing. So here she is. So first impressions say great. Seems very durable. Oh, look at that. That's the button there to hold a 1/4 inch. Sandpaper. There's a holder on the other side. So this is just an unboxing. So if you've never, I can't get out. Alright, this is just an unboxing. So if you didn't know this exists, as the old saying, if you don't know, now you know. It exists. Cordless sander, 1/4 inch. So why did I get a 1/4 inch square one instead of the orbital sander? Because I'm doing some sanding. I want to say it's like finishing sanding, because it was original wood from 1865. There was the original wood exterior, and I want an orbital sander that's going to really come down on it, and I don't want that warping effect, or I don't want it to take too much off. I'd rather it take longer with a 1/4 inch square sander or rectangle sander, whatever you want to say, and just put a little extra TLC into it and make sure that it comes out great without any waves. And then the dust collector, that was nice. And I wanted this because cordless, so I'm not carrying a cord above my head or tangle, or I'm walking on some makeshift scaffolding with a cord wrapped around. I can focus on what I'm doing and not worry about tripping on a cord. So phenomenal, super happy. Bum 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 bum. If you don't have it, sucks to be you. I got it. Do you got one too? I'll do a follow review after I actually do some work with this bad boy. Let you know how long the batteries are lasting. I have every battery to Dewalt known to man. Every Dewalt battery that they make. So I'll try them all. Give you realistic expectations on how much it actually weighs. I'm going to weigh them so you can see how much it weighs collectively with this, with another battery, and how that felt on my shoulder, above my head, or just in front of me doing it this way versus just flat going this way. When it's flat on the ground like this, if you're like this sanding this, you're not going to feel the weight, But if you're like this, you're going to feel that. If you're like this, you're going to feel that. So I'll let you know how it feels with the batteries and the different size batteries and what was my actual preference of battery. I'm hoping it's just a slim, guys, that will do really well, but I don't know if this thing's too powerful. It's just going to kill those batteries really quick, so we'll see. So I guess stay tuned for a follow-up review, but this is just an unboxing, and I was super excited to show this, and I got it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications too, so when I do the review, the updated one, you get a notification that I did so. And I'll also post in the comments a new link of the updated review. So thanks for watching. God bless.